On July 7th, Moise was assassinated. In the hours after he was killed, we now know that Henri traded phone calls with a man who is alleged to be at the center of the operation. We also know, thanks to a recent New York Times report, that the alleged financier of the operation said that he only participated because he was told the U.S. had approved of it. Finally, it's worth knowing that the assassins were brought in by a U.S.-based mercenary firm. So with that context, consider this testimony given in March at a little-noticed House Foreign Affairs Committee hearing headlined Policy Recommendations on Haiti for the Biden Administration. So, Kim,
why can't we just leave things alone? Right, you know, right. Like what is our interest in Haiti anyway? You know, like at this point, why do we want to continue to destabilize this country? What is the point?
Well, I think we're, for one, still angry that they freed themselves from slavery.